Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com. Hello, in this tutorial how to set up TrueNAS NFS share for Apache Cloud storage management. Must be SSH enabled from your web login, because of first time you cannot your server SSH. So now enable, login your root username and root user password, then going to services and then enable SSH. Check mark start automatically, then try SSH login. Then going to your server and type 9 for shell, and then open etc ssh deconfig and remove and permit root login. Yes. Then save and exit, and then SSH service stop and then start, then try login. Also click configure login as a root with password, then click save and then try. Yes, successfully login. Now add disk, then create pool. I have already attached disk for testing purpose, 50 and 50, ADA1 and ADA2. Then create pool, going to pools and create add, create import pool, create new pool, create pool. This is pool name, pool 01, and select disk 50 GB and 50 GB. You can move here. You can more settings for ZFS storage, caching, log, hotspare, metadata. So now I am using for only data storage, ZFS storage. You can use caching for more performance. You can use log is different disk. You can use hotspare for different disk. Now move to this storage, and this is selected is mirror, not strip. So estimated raw capacity is 48. To disk estimated capacity is 48 GB. Now click create and click confirm, create pool. Setting up system dataset. Yes, my pool is successfully created. Then add dataset. Click add dataset, name, share, and all settings are okay. Then click submit share. And then edit permission, write and execute group other, and apply user group file group, then save and exit. Now active NFS service, sharing, services, NFS service. This is NFS service. If server reboot, then automatically start, then check mark it, and then Unix share for NFS. This is sharing service, share NFS, add share NFS, select MNT. This is my pool, and share all directory, and then click submit. Okay, now I am checking. This is my share MNT pool 01 share, show mount option U. Yes, this is for everyone. You can set up your permission for your authenticated network. Only authenticated network. Going to Unix share and click advanced option, then authorized network. This is only for your IP address or network as like you want. Authorized host. So now share is for everyone, my local network, no problem. And this is main important things, permission. Otherwise you cannot download system VM into this pool from Cloud Stack Management Server. For Apache Cloud Stack share, TrueNAS share NFS is done. This is very important part for permission. For Apache Cloud Stack share, MNT pool share, and Apache Cloud Stack needed two share, basically primary and secondary. So we create two folder and then must be execute this permission. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please submit your valuable comments. Please subscribe my channel, like and share with others, and don't forget press the bell icon, get the first notification.